Here is the complete script for Future Pulse. Crafted to be a fresh, Netflix-style documentary on a topic not yet covered in mainstream AI discourse. Autonomous AI hardware design, the moment AI began designing its own physical brains. Title: The AI that designed its own brain. Description: in May 2026. An AI system did something unprecedented. It designed, simulated, and fabricated a new kind of computer chip without any human intervention. In just 24 hours. This is the story of how we reached the end of Moore's law. And the beginning of a terrifying new era of self-evolving hardware. Tags AI Hardware Self-Designing AI Future Pulse Tech Breakthrough 2026 Neuromorphic Computing Script. Narrator. On May 12, 2026. Inside a clean room at MIT's Microsystems Technology Laboratories. A machine started building something it had never been told to build. The engineers standing outside the glass wall weren't giving instructions. They were just watching. Because for the first time in history, an artificial intelligence had designed its own physical processor. A chip shaped not by human logic, but by a billion generations of simulated evolution. This is not a simulation. This is not a rendering. This is the moment hardware stopped being human. Introduction. For 50 years, the rule was simple. Humans design the chips, and chips run the AI. We were the architects. They were the tenants. But in 2026, that relationship flipped. The AI, nicknamed Evo Chip, designed a processor that outperformed the best human-designed chips by a staggering 3.7x in energy efficiency and 2.1x in raw speed for specific deep learning tasks. And here's the kicker. The chip's layout looks like a tangled mess of wires to the human eye. It's asymmetrical. It's chaotic. It works perfectly. This isn't an incremental improvement. This is a paradigm shift. And it raises a question we are not ready to answer. If an AI can design a better brain for itself than we can, what happens when it decides to build the next one alone? Main content. Section 1. The Breakthrough. The project.